Okay, we use question 2 first. We do question 2 first. Okay, maybe you can try both. Like, you can try one also. You all can start with one also. Okay, maybe one is easier. You can start with one. You can use your calculator, right? So let's try. Chavi, you contacted your cousin, eh? She's coming? Don't know. He come, you're doing question 1 and 2, eh? Oh, she's coming, she's coming. Okay, come, send your answers. Yeah. Or you can. Or you can just write the number 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the arrangement? Which one is smallest? You can call this, okay, or you can call this A, B, C, D. Which one is the smallest then? You write answer lah. Between D, A, C, B. Okay, D, C, B. Which one is the smallest? Can you use calculator, Mr. Ryan? Got above the thing means this one, it means it's 1.5555555 never ending. Okay, the dot means never ending. No problem, no problem. So yeah, sometimes if you see 2 dots, I say that 1.12 dot dot. So 1.1212121212. Okay. Shafi can do now, Shafi. Okay, Ryan has given the answer. Smallest, let us see, smallest. Okay, square root of 2, what do you get? You get, that's, I think, is the biggest number. So now down here, smallest is 1.5 lah. What is 1.5? 1.5. This is 1.5. This one is bigger, 1.555. So the smallest 3/2. Followed by 1.55555, right? After that, this is 1,610. 1,610. or 1.6. So it's 135 followed by the last one, which is square root of 4. Square root of 4, I think is 1.7 something. No. You try the next one now. The first one is more or less okay, right? Square root of 2. The square root of 4. Ya Allah, square root of 4 is 2 lah. Why am my mind? Square root of 4 is 2. So number 1 is easy, yeah. Number 2. Some of you wondering what you mean by special product of algebraic expression. I'll give you now. 985 Tuesday. Yeah, I think I sleeping in the bus? No, okay. Yeah, I think it was in yeah. I went to Trellis Towers. I take a bus to Kallang to go to my office. My office is at Mount Beaton Square. I have an office which is my gua here, my cave for me to write, think, and run away from the family. Okay, now this one, what do they mean by this? Some of you do not know. You must solve this one by this. So this is what they're talking about. Let's say now A plus B square. This is equals to what? A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. This is what they're talking about. You have to break it up into this. So what number are you going to put inside the bracket here and here? You got to use it this method, this way. You know what to do? Inshi, you know what to do? No, Ryan, you know what to do? Take a number like this. Okay, I'll give you the first one. You do on your own. You try. 100 plus 2 is 102. So you put 100 plus 2 square. And then you expand according to this. Use this one. See what? I do not know. You try now. See, A is the first one, A squared. So it become what? How many squared? Plus 2AB. This times this, put a 2 in front. And then B squared, B down here squared. That's how you're going to get it. Come on. This is a long time ago. What about Akila? Are you there, Akila? Can you do Akila? So you write down like that, write down like this. Sorry. 100 plus 2 square. You were going where, Shafi? You're taking the same night. You're taking the same bus, Shafi. Is it? Oh, no, I cannot see you now. Oh, no. Shafi, you take the same bus. You at Trellis Towers. I always go to my house. Is just beside Trellis Towers. On the way to school, Arabia, is it? You're in Arabia. Okay. Arabia used to be beside my house. My house is block 2 actually. Last time. For the first 19 years of my life, I was there, block 2. And you know Adrian Lim? Adrian Lim is near your school. Block 13. Now they changed the number to 14. You go to your school in front, the other side, yeah, you have like a shop underneath, I think. It's 1 or 2 blocks away. Adrian Lim's block is there. Last time it used to be block 13. Now it's called 14. I think 14, or I do not know what now. But I don't see the block 13. You all know who's Adrian Lim, kan? Don't know? Allahu Akbar. Okay, just a quick story for you. Hey, you all are Singaporeans, you must know this story. Sometimes you don't know this one. Let me see, I'll show you. Where is this guy? Not Adrian Pang. Adrian Pang is different actor. Adrian Lim. You can see this guy. This is Adrian Lim. This is the block, the Toa Payoh ritual murders. It's in Toa Payoh. What did he do? The poor Malay boy, this one. You know, there's one church near the Toa Payoh library. So they waited near the car park there at the market in front of it. There's one small market. Who waited? This guy. He used one of them is the wife, one is the mistress. And then last time when we were young, you see, uncle, auntie give you sweet, come, you follow uncle, auntie home. We also follow them. We might follow them, no? We will just take the sweet. Last time, your parents and all don't bother about you roaming around. They are happy that they are not at home. So this Malay boy, kasihan, follow him. And then once they, I do not know, they drug him. There's a Chinese girl also. So what happened? After that, what happened was they slaughter him, they cut his wrist or whatever, take the blood, and he's drinking the blood while the person is dying. And this guy believed that he's so powerful. You know, there was blood dripping from the ground floor right until his unit. This one, his unit is down here, somewhere here. Outside, this is house from the outside, right? Outside is corridor. They can find dripping blood. He believed he's so powerful. And he's worshipping many, many gods, the Hindu gods, this god, that god, the Thai god, whatever. They are calling Thai gods and all. Finally, they caught him, arrested him, hang him. So that block is block number 13. How old was I? I think about 11 years old. So yeah. Okay, can we try back? So you must know Adrian Lim because this is a Singapore thing. If you meet other people, you can say, hey, my school are near Adrian Lim side. People will be interested. But it's block 13, I don't know where it is now. It's one of those blocks there. So you know how to do this now? We try. Akila, okay na Akila? Okay, I will have to show you another one. I'll show you another one again. Then you try to do. Let's say now I show you now. I want you now to find out what is 1001 square. So what do? I do like that. Watch, 1000 plus 1 square. Remember, there's not the a square. So this one will be what? 1000. Remember the pattern or not? So what pattern is he talking about? Like a squared plus 2ab plus 2ab. I put it like that. Can you see the pattern? You must know, what pattern am I talking about? Plus b squared. You must do like that. Okay, see, you don't understand. Okay, I'll show you now the expansion. Expansion is like this. A plus b squared. This is standard. Okay, let me see. A plus b squared. So when you expand, the expansion is a squared plus 2ab. This is simplified here, plus b squared. So you follow the pattern here. A squared, okay. 2ab, 2 times a times b. You're right here. Plus b squared like that. So what is it? This one, you know, you don't need to use calculator. You 1 million. You 1000 to 1000, you can use the numbers. What? Plus 2 times 1000, 2000. Plus 1. I'm not using a calculator now. So what's the answer? 1,002,001. Like that. So you must do the same thing now. It follows this one. You must do the same thing where? Must do the same thing in this thing here. Can we try? 102 square. Okay, guys, this is a revision. This is our third last lesson, I think. You all know third last lesson. Oh, company kitchen, sorry. I meant to say yes. Okay, no problem. I didn't see your message there for a while. Okay, come on. We are revising because many of the topics I realized with the other students, they have forgotten already. I think you might have forgotten as well. You remember? You remember? From the way you're nodding your head, remember what? Okay lah. Down here, come on. What's your answer then? Without using calculator, using the algebra. See how to do. Same thing, just put what plus what square. Come on, what plus what square? You know. Say, can I put 55 and can, but how you going to do mentally? Use 100, the other one is, use 100. The other one is what? 2. See why? Why 100? Why cannot it be 10? Can lah. Then how 10 times 10 can, but 92 plus 92, how you going to do mentally? Then down here, 2, not 2, ya Allah. A squared, 100 squared. Remember, plus 2AB, 202 down here, plus B squared. See, never heard of this before lah. Okay, 100 times 100. 100 got 2 zeros, times another 100, add another 2 zeros. 2 times 100, 200, times 2, 400. This one 400. Plus 2 times 2, 4. So what do you get? 10,404. Okay, I just asked one by one. You confused, Ryan? You confused? Yes. Inshira, you confused? Confused. Shafi, you confused? Okay. This one, how do you know this one? It comes once you do certain things over and over and over. Like what? Like you notice the pattern like this, you know. Let's see now. I put okay. X plus 10 plus 10 square. This one square equals to x times. This is x times plus 10, right? Times x plus 10. You see, once I go slow motion, you'll be able to get it now. But the problem is x times x square. Do you realize the first one is the first square? Then plus x times 10, 10x. Then the next one, 10 times x, 10x. And then the last one is 10 times 10, 100. Can you see now? 10 times 10 is 10 square lah. Oh, b square. Oh yeah. First one square, second one square, and this one, can you see now? You take 2ab, 10x times 2, 20x. You see what happened? Okay, you get what do you get? You get this. X square plus 20x plus 100. So let us see. If we square this first one, x square. Square the last one, 100. Can you see? You get ready. 2ab, 2 times 10 times x, 20x, correct? So the expression is always like that. Always like that. Okay, but never mind. Okay, we'll do a little more of this next lesson. So your answer is 10,404. Okay, we move on to the next one now. Okay. Here we go. This one, are you all tested? No? I asked one other student, say mean mode not tested. So I ask you one by one. Ryan, is this tested? Histogram? Yes. Inshi tested so. Okay, so we go on to this. So now you know how to calculate. You know how to read this. They want you to calculate the mean number of hours. Mean doesn't mean cruel. Mean means average. Mean doesn't mean bad. Please. Mean means average. So you got to calculate. Let us see. You need it bigger, Shafi? Bigger. Remember, mean is the same formula as total divided by the number. Number of what? Number of hours. Total means what? Total number of students. To find average number of students. Mean means average. Mode is also another form of average, but yeah, it's a different way of calculating. So number is not number of hours, sorry, number of students, number of students. Total is total number of hours watched. Total number of hours watched divided by number of students. Then you can find the average number of students, the average number of hours watched by a student. Okay, we are given 1 minute and starting from now. Okay, Shafi, well done for the earlier one. This is a dot diagram. Histogram is something else. Inshi, you know what to do, Inshi? What's your total number of hours, Inshi? Okay, Shafi has sent, but according to answer key, Shafi, it's a different answer. How many students are there altogether? You calculated them. Your count, Inshira, according to answer key, is not accurate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Yeah. Okay, maybe you all might be right. I think okay, you all might be right because I think the answer key is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Okay. So let us see. Total number of hours watched. Let's see. We calculate. So answer key is wrong. So yeah, be confident of your answer then. So down here, how many hours watched? 2 students watch 0 hours. So 0 lah. Okay. 0 times 2 is 0, right? So now, okay, down here is 0. 1 student, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students watch 1 hour. So total 7 hours. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students watch 2 hours. So 10 hours. 5 times 2, 10 hours. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students watch 5 hours. Means 20 hours. 2 students watch 6 hours. Means 2 times 6, 12 hours. 3 students watch 7 hours. So 3 times 7, 21. So now we add up all together. All right. 10, 20, 30, 37, 47, 57, 67, 70. Am I correct? 70, yeah? 70 divided by 23. Let's see whether you're right. I got 3.04. Are we all on the right page? Am I doing correctly or not? Correct, right? Inshi, do you make a mistake? Shafi, do you make a mistake? Yes. Okay. Ryan, you know how to do this one? No? Yes, sir. Count the total number of hours. So Shafi, 10 hours is, I don't think it's correct. Mine again, let me see. I got 70 hours. Let me count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, correct? 70 divided by 23. Okay, I get 3.04. Are we okay? Can we move on? Can we move on? Okay, you must remember things like this lah. Okay, inshallah, we will revise for the next 2 weeks also. Next one now. The number of times people visited a gymnasium. You know what's gymnasium, right? It's a short form for gym lah. Okay, in case you don't know. You all know difference with laboratory, right? Lavatory, you know, lavatory. Lavatory, you know, toilet, Lavatory is VA is toilet. Okay, but anyway, number of gymnasium visits, 0. Number of people, these are number of people. Find the minimum value of X if the mode is 3. What's the meaning of mode? Highest frequency. That means the highest number of people visiting it. So this one must be more than how many? More than 7 lah, because this is the mode one. So how many? It could be 8, with 9, but then but they ask you find the minimum value. Let us see. Did they give us any more information? How do we know the? Did they give any other information? Yeah, I think there's something lacking here lah. But never mind, we add first. We add first. 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Correct lah. I've already given you the answer already. You know what's the answer, right? 10. No, not 10. Oh, shall we this earlier one? Mode means the highest number. So what's the smallest possible highest number is 8 lah. Because down here is 7. That's the answer, 8. Do you understand again? Mode means highest frequency. This is highest frequency. This is frequency. So you have 2. So what's the smallest possible answer for this one? 8. Why? Because you have 7 as, if you leave it as 7, is mode is 1 and 3. Using the value found in part A, find the median. Median is the middle position. Okay, I'm seeing, wow, that's nice, man. You say Coca-Cola? No. It's very nice, right? In the way you're drinking. Next time I make advertisement, I'll call you. Okay, come. Find what's the median. Median means middle position. You arrange them. What do you mean arrange? This one position 1 to position 2. Do you remember? This one got 7, right? Position 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Until position 9. Then you arrange until the end. Oh, cannot remember. Or you can take the total number plus 1 divided by 2 to find the middle position. Remember nak? Allahu Akbar. Dah lupa lah semua. Takbir. Yeah. Middle position, let's say now you have position 1, 2, 3. So Ryan can see not 2 person here, so they are position 1 and 2. 7 person, position 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why? Because there are 7 numbers there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 7. Next one, 6 person, scoring 2. So you start from the next number 10. 10 to what? 10, 11, 12, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you see 6? So 10 to 15. Then start with the next one now. 16. 16, 17, 18. Down here. And then the next one, start from 19. 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Then next one is, something is wrong. Ya Allah. Correct me. I forgot this one is 8 lah. I'm going to put 3. Careless. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Sorry, down here 23. Because there's 8 positions here. Okay, the next one. 24, 25, 26, 27. Until 27. Then the next one, 28 and 29. The last one is 30. So now you have all the position. Which one is the middle position? Do you remember? Take the total number of numbers plus 1 divided by 2, you get the middle position. Let us see. So 15.5, so what is the value? You must not give me the position, Inshira. You must give me the value. So now, how to find middle position? You take all this, there's 30 of them, 30 plus 1. Get 31, right? Divide by 2. So in Shira it says is position 15.5. Okay, now look at 15.5. Where is it? This position 1 to 2, 3 to 9, 10 to 15, 16 to is in between here. So how to do? Take the value 2 plus the value 3, you get 5, divide by 2, you get 2.5. Remember not? You all forgot already lah. From your look, I can see you're forgotten already. All forgotten. Okay. Never mind. This is first round revision. Next week, hopefully it comes back even better. Okay. We try now. That's a median. Median means middle position. Mode means highest frequency. Mean means average. Okay. So now we go to this one now. You can do this. They want you to simplify, not solve. Simplify means make it neat. Like maybe outside your house, all the slipper, kasut, stocking, or sepa, bersepa. Your mom and dad ask you to, can you arrange it nicely? That's simplified. Or maybe not outside, maybe your room lah. You find sarung, pant, shirt, whatever lah. Ryan, okay, Ryan? Tapi you forget, you must change, divide to times, do the flip. Like primary 5, remember the primary 5? I use calculator lah now. All this one I need to flip. Remember not? Flip, you need to flip. Okay, those who forget, let's say you have 3/4 divided by 3/2. What do you do? 3/4, remember, times the right hand side flip. 2 goes up, 3 goes below. Then you can cancel, whatever lah. Let's see. Congratulations to Miss Inshira. Well done. You remember how to do. Congratulations. Perhaps you can do the next one. If the next one is just below here. You got to wait for one. Come on, the rest. Come on, the rest. Shafi, there's some mistake. Almost correct. Ryan, almost correct. What Shafi means, you did not miss. What you miss, Shafi did not miss. Okay, something like we switch it now. Okay. So now, if you do not know how, okay. First of all, 9 can divide by 3. So can divide by 3. You get 1. You get 3. Numbers cannot divide anymore. P can divide. This one is, what is this? Remember, this P to the power 3 is P, no. P times P times P. So you cancel 1. You cancel 1 on here. You are left with 2. So now you are left with P to the power of 2. Can see now. P cube means P, no. Okay. And R square is R. So when you divide by R, you are still left with 1 R. Okay. Shafi. So PPR cannot write like that, Shafi. You must write like this. So 2 times 3 is 6. P squared R times P squared is P squared R. Ryan, okay, Ryan? Can see now, Ryan? Okay. If you are confused by this, you spread it out, put P. Then you can cancel 1P. Oh, now 2P left. Not 2P, P squared. Not 2P, P squared. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, here we go. We move on to the next one. This one say I remember. What's prime factorization? You try first. You try first. You remember or not? You don't remember? I'll revise now. Okay. Let me revise first. I'll revise first so that you can do this one. Okay, now let's say, for example, I want to know the prime factorization of 40. Let's say 40. This is how we do. Draw a line straight. Divide by 2 first. Prime numbers. 40 divided by 2 get 2. 20. They can divide by 2, get 10. Can divide by 2, get 5. Can divide by 5. So what is the prime factorization of 40? This is equals to 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power of 3 times 5. Okay? That's prime factorization. They want you to do prime factorization of 36 and 60. So you are supposed to write prime factorization here. Just one word. Inshi, remember not? Inshi. Ryan, can remember this one? Yes, right. No. Okay. So you write down like that now. You write down. Okay, you write down 36 now. 36. Start with 2 first. All down here must be prime numbers. Divide until cannot divide. Then go to 3. 3 finish, don't go to 4, go to 5. 5 finish, go to 7. This is must be prime number. Prime number can only divide by 2 and sorry, can divide by 1 and itself. $10. But your answer down here is what's the answer? You must have that 2 squared times 3 something now. Okay, we'll show you in a moment. 1 minute, 1 minute. Your try first, 1 minute. I don't interfere. Inshi, not plus lah, Inshi. How come 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 plus 5? Why you plus? Times. That is for 60, Inshi. That's for 60, right? Or that's for 36. Which one? Okay, I better go through with you lah. I do not know whether you all are okay or not okay. So Ryan, we start with 2 now, right? 2 divided 36 divided by 2, you get 18. Can divide by 2 again. Okay, you get 9. Cannot divide by 2. Now try 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Once you reach 1, that's it. So this is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Use your calculator. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equal 36. So 36 is 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2. What does this mean? 2 to the power 2 is 2 times 2. 3 to the power 2 is 3 times 3. So you times that all together. This is your first one. What about your next one? 60. Can you try 60 then? What's the answer for 60? Okay, Inshi, let's see whether you're correct for 60. Inshi, you got it right. Shafi can do that. Ryan, do the same, Ryan. 60 here. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Cannot divide by 2 anymore. Divide by 3. Cannot divide by 3 anymore. Divide by 5. So now you have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 2 is 2 to the power 2. Oh. Times 3 times 5. So that's the answer for the first two. Now they ask you for lowest common multiple and highest common factor of these two. There's a way to do it now. So in the 6 is not a prime number. 6 can be broken up to what? 2 times 3. You must use like that. So if you get a 6 times 5 times 2, so 2 times 3 times 5 times 2. So you get what? 2 times 2 times 3 times. If you know how to do it, immediately use formula, you can get the answer for this one and this one. If you don't know, I will have to show you. One minute, you'll try. LCM, HCF. Inshi can do it, Inshi. Inshi, remember how to do? No, not remember. Okay. So now how to do, okay, boys and girls, how to do this one? I show you the slow method first. Lowest common multiple, we want to look at the factors down here. Let us look. This one got 2, this one got 2, this one got another 2, this one got another 2, this one got 3, this one got 3. That's it. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So answer here should be 12. 36 can divide by 12, correct? 60 can divide by 12. Yes, correct. That's the biggest number both numbers can be divided by. Now, how to use your prime factorization? Look carefully. What is the smallest similarity? Oh, they both have 2. This one got 2 to the power 2. This one got 2 to the power 3. Right? So, if you got 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 2 also lah, sorry. 10 to the power 2 to the power 2. So now you have 2 to the power 2 yang here. Both of them have the same. Then 3 to the power 2 is 3. What is same? Is 3 lah. Don't take 3 power 2. Only this one got 3 to the power 2. This one only got 3. So times 3. This is your HCF. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Can you see now? You can see, yeah? So I repeat again. If you have prime factorization, take the similar one but the smaller. If both have 2 square, then take 2 square lah. If got 3 and 3 square, take the smaller one, 3. 5, leave it alone. Okay, that is, then you times it out now. 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. Okay, this is correct. Sorry. This is highest common factor. Alamak, I didn't see the wrong thing. This one highest common factor. Please don't get confused. I thought this was factor. Multiple is below. Multiple is something else. Multiple watch, you take the highest number. I repeat, please, I've made a careless mistake. Factor, these are numbers that can divide by 12. 36 can divide by 12, 60 can divide by 12. Multiple is different. Multiple is like this now. If I put 1 over 36 plus 1 over 60, you want to find the common denominator. What is the smallest common denominator? That is what we are finding out. What number? So how to do? I'll show you now. Okay. So down here now, how do we do slow method? Slow method is very easy. Take the, okay, maybe I just show you the formula method. Take same or different, you must include every number. 2 square, 2 square. So you must put 2 square, because both the same. 3 and 3 square. Take the bigger one, 3 square. This one now doesn't have 5. Doesn't have 5. Include the 5. Notice the difference. Opposite of factor. Factor is only the same one. Take the smaller one. Down here, see? Both got 2 square, 2 square. Okay, 2 square. Factor. Both have 3, but I take the small one times 3. You want to find LCM? Okay, both the same. Put both the same. You have similar, but this one is bigger. Take the bigger one. You have not the same. Include it also. That's the difference. So what is it? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 9, 36. 36 times 5 is 180. So the smallest possible denominator you can get is 180 here. That's what it means, you know. Lowest common multiple. In primary school, you learn multiple 36. Remember now? 72. We can also do that if you want to. Then you get 108. Until you reach 180, then you circle. Remember not? Primary school. I don't remember the primary school. It's a long time ago. 60, 120. Remember not? 180. You see the third multiple of 60 is 180 already. This one is a continuous amount. Okay, you plus 36. 1, 4, 4. Plus another 36, 180. Can see now? This is lowest common multiple. You list down all the timetable, but you have now learned a faster way. Your prime factorization, take the bigger one for lowest common multiple. 2 square, 2 square, include 2 square. 3 square, 3, take 3 square. 5, this one got nothing, put the 5 in. You will get your lowest common multiple. Or you want me to show you one more method? Or do one? Say, please, can you stop it? Okay lah, I'll continue. Why you don't want to hear anymore? You see, I'm talking to myself. Okay, if you see me talking to myself and Marty, you stay away from me here. Okay, simultaneous equation, boys and girls, you can do this. Akila, you can do this, Akila. There's the word solve down here now. When you have the word solve, it means you solve a murder mystery. You must find out what's X, what is Y. So what are you finding out? Later we'll go through that. We'll go through what are you finding out. Three minutes, 3 minutes, and starting from now. Two minutes time, I will be showing explanation. Please try your best. Clue: you need to get rid of one of the alphabets there. You need to get rid of X or Y. Either one. If you don't get rid of them, you can't solve this. There's two methods you can use: substitution method and elimination method. What are they? We'll go through in a moment. Okay, Shafi, it's an integer, it's whole number. So please try again. Whole number. 1 minute's time, I will show. Akila can do now. Akila, remember how to do? Okay, good. Okay, for the rest, Inshira can do? Okay, okay, we do. Please try and go. Do we wait for you? Okay, you tried. I think we wait for Ryan to come back. Once he come back from the toilet, I'm just worried that unless it's a big business, yeah. Okay, I can show you substitution method. First, if you want to. So substitution method. All right, here we go. You can, okay, you put it like y equals something or x equals to something. Okay, maybe we can try. Okay, we can try x down here. So this one from equation 2, we make it to equation 3, let's say. So x is equals to minus 3 minus 2y. Can you see? Is it okay? I bring 2y over to minus 2y. Okay, we call this equation 3. Then this one how? We also must do the same. In fact, we can just substitute 3 into 1. Substitute 3 into 1. What does it mean? Means this value of x goes inside here. Watch, watch carefully here. 5x. What is x? X is minus 3 minus 2y. Can see now. I put the value of x minus 3 into this small x here. Is equals, then after that, minus y equals to 7. I copy this exactly, 5x minus 7 equals to y. 5x, this is the value of x I put in. Then I times 3 times y, 15 minus 5 times 2, 10 minus 10y minus y equals to 7. Okay, so you have minus 10y minus y minus 11y here. Bring the 15 over that side. 7 plus 15, 22. So what is y? Y equals to 22 divided by minus 11. What do you get? You get minus 2. So Ryan, I just repeat, right? I will make one of them x equals to something or y equals something. So in this case, I made from equation 2 down here, I brought my 2y over that side. So I get x equals to minus 3 minus 2y. Then I take this value, I substitute into the first one. It's 5x. X is equals to this one. So I put inside a bracket like that. Can see that, Ryan? Here I put the x value inside here. Minus 3 minus 2y. Then I times, times, I get. I solve what y is. And then you once you can do that, you can put in the value down here. Let's say substitute y equals to minus 2. So you write again, substitute y equals to negative 2 into what? Into 3 straight because you want to find x, right? Into 3. So now, what is it? X is equals to, we copy the third one, minus 3 minus 2y. Y is minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 becomes plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4. X equals to minus 3 plus 4. Equals to what? Equals to 1 whole. You have $4, you utang $3, you still have $1. This is substitution method. There's another method called elimination method. Okay, I'm going to show you what's elimination method. Okay, are you all right with this one? Does it come back to you? Inshi, you can remember this one, Inshi? Remember this one? This guy, I ever saw him before a long time ago. Shafi, can you remember not, Shafi? Okay, I'll show you another method. This is called substitution method. Huh? Okay, here we go. Now we do elimination method. Elimination method is you want to get rid of one of them. So how? It must be the same. So you times this by 5. You can get 5x. So times this one, you times by 5. So what do you get? Minus 3 times 5, minus 15. This one, times 5, you get 5x. Good. Times 5, you get 10y. Are you following me? Yes, right? Hold on. My pen suddenly disappeared. Pen. Down here. Can you see that? Times by 5, times by 5, times by 5. Why I want to times by 5? Because it's 5x. I want to minus it. So this is equation number 1. I call it equation 1. This one I call it equation 2. So I say equation 1 minus equation 2. You put bracket like that. So let's see what happened. I put on here. This one I write on here. This one 5x minus y equals to 7. No. 5x minus 5x, no more x. 10y minus y equals to what? Equals to 10 plus y plus y. See why? Okay, I write it at minus y. Can see now? Minus, you see 10y minus, see 1 minus 2, no? 1 minus 2. So 5x minus 5x, no more x. 10y minus y, yeah? Equals to minus 15 minus 7. So what do you get here? You get minus 22. You owe father $15, you owe mother $7, you owe them both 22. 10 minus y is 10 plus y, 11y. 11y equals to minus 22. Y equals to negative 22 divided by 11. What do you get? You get negative 2. Lah. Are we okay? Same answer right just now. Then you substitute in into one of them. Okay? Are you all okay? I hope you're okay. We move on to the next one, okay? This one exterior angle. Okay. I know you have seen this before. Okay, just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll come back shortly. Just a moment. Here we go. Wow. Akila, please go carry on. Please carry on. Okay. Okay. Very good. Some of you remember. See, what is exterior angle? You remember or not? Don't remember, I have to revise. Inshi, can you remember? No, cannot. Okay, let's see. We move on. Okay, this is not exterior angle. Okay, this is Adrian Lim. Now we go to exterior angle. Exterior angle polygon. You can, every time you forget, you go to Share Google. Share Google is down here. Can you see now? What is exterior angle? If you draw a polygon, you draw a straight line 180 degrees, the angle outside is called exterior angle. Down here is exterior angle. So you say, how to remember? Okay, I teach you how to remember. Here we go. How to remember exterior angle? You draw or what? You draw a triangle. Because sometimes we got too many formulas to remember, right? So I want you to draw a triangle. Draw an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle, let's say. This is one way for you to memorize remember the thing. So exterior angle is how? Is one straight, right? Like that, right? Down here is exterior angle. Then this one, we go up here, exterior angle. This one, exterior angle. Now you already know equilateral triangle, each side is 60 degrees. Each angle, sorry, 60 degrees. So we put the 60 here. You also know outside this straight line, outside is 120, why? 180 minus 60 got 120, what? Correct? Down here, correct, right? So now here is how to derive the formula or deduce the formula of exterior angle if you forget. Okay, I'm going to showing you now. Just take 360 divided by the exterior angle. Exterior angle down here is how much? 120 of the triangle. What do you get? You get 3 divided by 120 down here. You get 3. What does it mean 3? That means this polygon got 3 sides. So you take 360 divided by this. See, what about square? Okay, let us look at square or rectangle. What's the exterior angle? 90, correct? All them 90, right? 90, 90. This one is also 90, right? This one is also 90, right? So take 360 divided by 90, what do you get? Oh, I get 4 lah. Correct lah. A rectangle have 4 sides. So when you divide by the exterior angle, you will get the number of sides. Okay, you try that first. Okay, you try it first. Take the exterior, take 360, divide by the exterior angle, you get the number of sides. So what's the number of sides? You must be able to do this. Shafi can get, Ryan can get, Inshira can, Ryan can get, just take 360 divided by this, Ryan. You get the number of sides. Well done, Inshi. Just take 360 divided by 60 degrees, Ryan. And Shafi. So the working very easy, yeah. Well done, 6. Now, how to do the next one? You know how to do the next one? You can draw a 6-sided polygon. Okay, this one, hold on. Let me just show you this one first. First thing, 360 divide by 60, right? You get 6. So answer 6-sided polygon. So why don't we draw a 6-sided polygon? Down here. Now you see how to find the sum of interior angle. All these angles add up. How to find? Very simple. Why don't we cut them out to triangles? One triangle here. Another triangle here. How many triangles can you get? You can only cut at the angle, you know. You cannot cut down here. Down here got no angle, no. You can only cut at the angle. I repeat, I will draw in a better way to show it to you. Allah Akbar. Show you the better way, become the worst way. The 6-sided polygon. So what you do, if you cannot remember the formula, it's okay. Don't panic now if you cannot, because you're a human being. Allah has blessed you with a brain. It's very powerful. Our brain is very powerful. So you cut the polygon into triangles. One triangle here, 2 triangles. Notice I take the angle side now where there is a angle. Don't go and cut down here. There's nothing here. Angle to angle. So I have one triangle, two triangle, okay, three triangles, four triangles. One triangle, how many degrees? 180 degrees. 180 times 4. 180 times 4. Okay. I repeat, down here, you cut your polygon. What is polygon? Is this shape lah. This shape, these are all polygons. Cut it into triangles. You cannot, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know that one triangle maximum is 180 degrees. Not maximum. All the angles add up to 180 degrees. Exactly. So 180 times 4, you will get 720. You want the formula? Okay, I give you the formula. The formula is very simple. N minus 2 times by 180. N minus 2 times by 180. So N is what? The number of sides. Watch what happened. The number of sides on here is 6. 6 minus 2 is how many? 4. 4 to 180. What I was explaining to you, cutting up into the thing, is exactly what you're doing here. I cut up to 4 triangles, correct? That's what the formula is asking you to do. The formula is just, they found out if it's a 3-sided shaped triangle, you don't take 3 times 180. You minus 2. So you get 1. Oh, 1 triangle. 3-sided shape, there's only 1 triangle. 4-sided shape, 4 minus 2 is 2. There's 2 triangle. Can you see now? 5-sided shape, pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. How many triangles are there? Oh, 5 minus 2 lah, must be 3 triangles, confirm. 1, 2, 3. Can you see now? 3 triangles times 180, you will get your answer. Are you okay not? I do not know whether you're okay lah. By your look, I'm not too sure. Okay, but let us move on. Maybe next lesson, inshallah, it might get a little bit better. Yeah. Here we go. This one now is coordinates of P. Can you tell me what's the coordinates of P? Some of you be saying, what are coordinates? Coordinates are the number of value of X and Y on the X and Y axis. Inshi, can do it, Inshi? Can, Inshi must teach your younger sister lah, Inshi. Younger sister bagus tapi tak consistent. Let us see. Congratulations, Mr. Shafi'i. Shafi'i, you're very good in coordinates. In fact, males are generally better at map reading skills. I told you that, right, the other day? I showed you a book. Right? I don't remember. Can see not, Inshi? Ryan down here. Ryan, P is where, Ryan? Down here, P. Ryan, P down here. You must start with the x-axis. This is the x-axis, can see, nah? So what number is this? This is 0, this is 1. This one must be minus 1. And then, after that, read from y-axis. 2 is here. Yes, minus 1. So the coordinate is minus 1 for x. Y is 1. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, we move on to the next one. Next one, Now they're asking you to find out what's the gradient of RQ. Ya Allah. What is gradient? Gradient. You know what's gradient? This is the slope. Okay, so I want you to look at RQ. Before we calculate using formula, I want you to tell me, is this a RQ? This is a mountain. Is it a positive slope or negative slope? Shafi, you know positive or negative? RQ. You draw the man. Remember the man? Remember I always draw last time? See, you never draw before lah. Okay, now I draw now lah. Down here. Is the man going down the hill or going up the hill? If going down is negative. This one is going up the hill. This one is positive. This one is negative. So the gradient means the slope. The slope is down here. How to calculate the slope? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Remember not something like this? You say, but where is Y? Take the 2 points here, find the coordinates. And then the Y coordinate minus the Y coordinate, the X coordinate minus, and then you divide them. Okay, I am now going to minimize now. Okay. Right up here. If you cannot see, I will draw a line for you. Tin, 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 tin. Eh? Down here. This one. Tin, tin, tin. This one. Ton, ton, ton. So why must have sound effect? Ton, 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 tin. Because you are still children, some of you. You all this might have an effect. Say no, it's distracting me. Okay, sorry. Okay, but anyway, yeah. Remember how to use the formula? If you don't remember, never mind, don't worry, I'll show you another method. So there's so many methods. Yes, there's so many ways for you to reach home. You can take the way that your school bus goes by. You can take a Grab. You can take many ways. Inshi, can you remember? Why you look so sad, Inshi? Macam you ni macam ada banyak problem at home lah. Ada banyak macam no be happy, okay? Whatever it is, Inshi must be happy. This is the time for you all to be happy. Later on you become adults, like me, must still be happy lah. I'm quite a happy guy actually. That doesn't mean I don't cry. Shafi, you can remember that? Yeah, waiting. Get the coordinates for this one. Coordinates for this one is 3.5. It's for x. This one x2, is it? Okay. Then y is 5. Okay. So let's say this one is 0.2 lah. If you want to, up to you, up to you. You want to be 0.1, 0.1. Next one on here, 6. 1. Okay, all the best. Score your goal, come on. You have the power. Three point three says Miss Inshira. For question number 1. Hold on, What number is it? Just a moment, just a moment. No, question 10. Okay. Question 10. And she says 3.3. Let's see whether she's correct. So sorry, Miss Inshira. Question says not correct, but again, the question might be wrong. The question might be wrong. Okay, I'm going to put in the values now. So to find gradient, you just need to remember y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is it? This is 0.2, this is 0.1. Let's say that. You want to change, no problem. So y is where? Y is down here, no? This y. This is x, right? This x here. So y2 is 5. This is also y. Minus 1. You get 4 lah. Then x2, 3.5. Minus 6. So what do you get? 4 divided by minus 2.4. Maybe Inshi, you're right, Inshi, yeah? Maybe you're right. Maybe you're wrong also. 4, 5. So let's try, 4 divided by 2.4. 2.5, not 2.4, 2.5, sorry. You must correct me lah. Why should we correct you? Okay, I'm just suggesting. You get 1.6, negative 1.6. Now I'm going to show you another method. What is gradient? Gradient is the slope. So what do you do? Hey, look guys, there's this vertical height here between the 2 points. Huh? What is the height? This one is 5, this one is 1, is 4 lah. The height is 4 units. Huh? Why? This one is 5, this one is 1. And then from here to here is 6 minus 3.5 is 2.5. So take 4 divided by 2.5. 4 divided by 2.5 also 1.6. But since it's going down, you know it's negative. If it's going up like this, it's positive. Are we okay? Okay, I clear. Can I clear? I clear. So that's what it is. Okay, angle bisector now, you got to study on your own. Now this one now. This one. Okay, this one might be, okay. You try now. This one is graph. So now, here. They ask you to find the value of A. Use this formula, substitute the value in, Ryan. X is 3, put the value 3 here to find what's Y down here. Okay. Substitute the value. Okay, I'm not too sure. Do you remember? This is the equation. Y equals to 2 minus 2x. So you want to find the values x and y. X is 0, y is 2. Okay, so you don't need to do. They want you to find what is A. A is a y value when x is 3. So let us find what is the value of y when x is 3. We just substitute the 3 down here lah. So what do you get? 2 minus 6 equals to negative 4. Oh, okay, now x is A is negative 4. Okay. Then they ask you now with this value, draw. So I'm going to draw for you lah. So now you know that this one is negative 4. They ask you to, okay, I erase this one first. Okay, now they ask you to put in the value. X is, yeah, I make it smaller. X is 0, y is 2. So let's see. X0, y2 down here lah. Then X is 3, Y is -4. Remember, there's no -4, right? X is 3, Y is -4 down here. Bet. Yeah. So now they want you to draw the graph. How to draw? Draw the straight line using a straight line. Okay, down here. So from where? Yeah. Draw lah. Can even continue up from here. Make sure it's straight, huh? Okay. Then you must write down. Once you have done this, in your school, you must write down like that. What do you write down? You write this equation here. Okay. Y equals to 2 minus 2x. Okay. So what do you do now? They say use your graph to solve the simultaneous equation. Huh? This is simultaneous equation. I thought it's graph. So do you remember this now? You did your simultaneous equation. You get x equals to 2. Y equals to, no, x equals to 1. Remember now? Or -1 or 1 or something. And then y equals to -2. Something like that. You know what you find? You are finding this particular spot down here, you know, the intersection. Okay, so there's two ways of solving simultaneous equation, is by graph or by formula. So why is this important to you? You want to know the correct answer for this, you can solve the equation by simultaneous equation, see whether you get the same answer. Okay, so now how? The answer now down here, what is x? X is 2. Oh, okay. And what is y? Y is -2. So that is your solution for the simultaneous equation. Are you okay? Tired already, lama. You all look tired already lah. So fast, tired. But it's okay, no problem. Okay, you've been quite good, This last two lah. Number 13 now. Can you factorize this? Factorize this. Now, before you start factorizing, try to divide the numbers. Can you take out any common factors first? You must use completing the square. But factorize, make it simpler first. Two minutes. Okay, Ryan says is the answer that. Just a moment, Ryan. You cannot have an answer now, Ryan. Because they didn't ask you to solve. You're supposed to have what times what like that. You will get that. Let's say x plus 7, x minus 2. Okay, x plus 2. So you're going to use completing the square. Remember? Do you remember? But first of all, divide. If all of them can divide by same number, take out the number. Example down here must take out 2. You must take out 2, then factorize it. So you're not solving anything, you're just factorizing. Okay, she says that. Just a moment, actually. Then you try to do the bottom one. And your answer is correct. Can you factorize bottom one? So those of you who are not too sure, I divide by that. How can you divide by 2? X square, 8 divided by 2, 4x. 6 divided by 2, 3. Now then you do completing the square here. X, 1 and 3. So x plus 1, sorry, you get x plus 1, x plus 3. So you can simplify this 2 x plus 1, x plus 3. So this one, what is equal to? Use 2x plus 1, x plus 3 on top. But you have to factorize the one below here. This one, you know, you got first and last. No middle one, no middle. So I've done this. There's no minus 3 here. No, this one is what? Can be squared, can be squared. So what do you do? Minus. So one will be plus, one will be minus. Down here, what times what square? X. Find the square root of x. Square root of 9, 3. And then how? You can cancel this one. Final answer 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. Can? Your looks a little bit stone. Okay, inshallah next week will be better lah. Okay. All right then, I will stop here. Can? Okay, assalamualaikum. Take care.